Kakaalis ko lang ah. Andito na naman. Ito na guys, bibigay ko kayo. John! Bakit nandito ka na naman? Di ba galing ako doon ka? O dalawa kayo?
Ano? Kanina pa ako dito.
You were eating ah?
Yes, I'm here. Earlier, morning.
I go there, then you are here. Kuya, this is for you and Blably, okay? This is very important thing.
Very important thing?
Yeah.
Try it. Made by my parents
Yeah, that's
and my
not-
sister.
That's not a
Handmade. Handmade? Yes, homemade.
Yeah, homemade.
Very healthy.
Ano?
What's the title?
Title is I love you.
I love you.
Yep.
Fit. That's fit made.
Yeah.
Did I need to cook this or what?
No,
No
you can
need.
eat now.
Ah, eat.
Yes. Do you trust?
Yeah, try.
That one no trust in.
Hindi siya nagtiwala eh.
Where do you trust us? Do you trust my family?
I trust your family.
Ah.
But you know.
No.
Okay,
It's a league of trust.
for the sake of your family, I will eat this.
Yeah.
Nice.
Say thank you muna kasi they're watching.
Oh yeah, they're your top fans.
How much the name?
How much is the name? 500 is one
How
box.
much the name
how
of
much
the
the name
parents?
of the what is the name of your parents?
Just say Ajin parents, okay.
Ay,
Okay, Arjun parents.
ay, John parents, thank you for this wonderful present. And Sese.
Sese, ayan.
Sese, I will taste it.
Okay, taste it. One only ha, because one is for Lovely. Taste reveal. Yeah, that's
Masarap, gagi.
masarap ano. That's why only 2. Because they made that 3 a.m. They are
3 a.m.
starting to prepare na.
The taste is very nice, huh?
Yeah, very nice.
What do you call this?
Bao.
Bao.
Yes.
Thank you.
John also like it.
Sarap na. Parang masarap sa suka yan. Nakulay ito na suka.
Very good. That is very
All
nice.
the
Yeah.
veggie, potato,
Potato.
long beans, potato, pork.
Yeah.
Ito mo, dami niyang palaman, no?
Yeah, it's limited only.
It tastes like in the restaurant.
Mo ano taste on
It
the
tastes like
restaurant.
in the restaurant.
Ah, tastes like in the restaurant. I see.
Are you scared to eat?
How about you? Did you finish yours na?
Yes.
Yeah.
Keep one for
nice.
lovely, huh? Don't finish
Yeah.
all.
One
Because this
for
one we don't know whether you like or not. If you like, they can make more.
Oh.
You don't like, don't waste the heart because they are so hard. They will make a whole morning to do this.
Yes.
No, very nice. The
Cut.
taste is very good, huh?
But I
You
tell
like?
you, this is a pre-taste only. Next
Yeah.
time we bring here
have to
300
pay.
each.
I need to pay.
Yes.
Yeah, 300 each, okay?
Yes.
300?
300 each.
One box.
One
One
bao.
box. Ah,
One
okay.
bao.
One bao, yes.
One
One
box.
bao.
One piece.
Yeah, one
300,
piece. One
yeah.
piece.
Very,
Very cheap, huh?
Very.
Yeah. Thank you for your support, huh? So you like,
Chinese business. Because inside have Wagyu beef.
Ah, that's why.
Wagyu
Yeah.
pork.
Wagyu is one of my favorite.
Oh, okay.
Wagyu pork.
Wagyu pork. Wagyu pork.
Tell to your parents, very thank you.
Oh, very
Your
thank
parents very talented, huh?
Yes.
Why you not adopt it?
You should ask her. Why her is not adapted?
No, you, because you are the son. Okay?
Son-in-law.
Okay, you eat first, ha?
Maybe Lovely will not taste this.
No,
Because
that's...
later I will eat this.
No, that's for Lovely.
Call Lovely, come here first.
Yeah, let it try.
We need to
Let it be.
evidence Lovely
Okay,
eat
yeah.
that.
So guys, ayan, successful. Nagustuhan nila ng magkakapatid. So, ayun lang guys. Nice. Galing kami kay Christine nga. Ito yung bigay sa akin ni Christine. Binigyan ko sila ng baho, diba? So, ito yung kapalit. Ayan, yummy. Philippine baho. Tara na, let's go na. So, tapos na yung pagpapatikim sa atin sa kanila ng baw. Ayan. Hindi ko na nakuha yung reaction ni Christine, guys. Kasi nga, ano doon si Sheldon, yung bago nilang baby. Na medyo takot pa ako sa aso, guys. Kasi nga nakagat na ako dati. So, ayun. Pero sobrang sarap, guys. Ang nakuha ko lang yung video ng anak niya, si Carmen. Sobrang yummy. O, tara na, guys. Ito yun.